This morning I'll be coating the lounge chair in Scandinavian oil. Always open windows and have good ventilation when working with different products. What you'll need is disposable gloves to protect your hands, Chuck's cloths for applying the oil, Scandinavian oil. I've used this oil for many years and I find it the best for Danish and mid-century furniture. To me it gives a more original finish and enhances the colour and grain of the wood. A mask to protect your lungs and a few cotton rags. Every time you use Scandinavian oil, it's essential to give the oil a thorough stir, to mix the contents, scraping the bottom and edges of the tin so you have an even mixture. Make sure you never shake the tin. Remove one Chuck's cloth and start folding it in halves until you have a small enough application pad. Apply a good amount of oil to the Chucks and start lathering it on the chair, starting in one spot and working around the chair. Make sure to keep going back to the tin to keep the Chucks well soaked, as you'll want a thick coating all over the chair. You don't need to apply it neatly, as the excess oil will be wiped off the chair. When you finish covering the whole chair in oil, immediately grab a cloth and start buffing off the excess oil from where you first started oiling the chair, and work around the chair as you did previously. When you've finished wiping down the chair with a cloth, leave the chair for at least 8 hours or overnight before applying the second coat. I recommend applying 3 coats in total.